Hello and welcome back dear subscriber. Today in this video I am going to talk some technical questions for the placement purpose, and this is related to Sonata software, and this question is picked from the Freshers World website, and this is available in the public domain. So in this video I am going to explain each and every bit of this paper. There is almost 40 questions, and I will also give the reason why this option is or why that option is correct. Okay, and in some cases I will also run and show you the execution of the code. Okay, now coming to part 1. Part 1, the first question is, in which order the following function shall be called in the below mentioned code? So here a equal to function of function 1 23 comma 14 into f2 12 by 4 plus f3. So here from right to left the function will be called. So what will be the order? The order is f1, f2, f3. Okay. Coming to second question, find the output of below mentioned program. So what will be the output? So guys, this is pseudocode. So main, okay, and int I equal to 4, switch I. So switch used to take numeric value, right? So 4 is numeric, so here is 4, and it will check the test case. Sorry, not test case. It will go and check the case. So case 1, case 2, and case 3. There is no case 4 is matching. So it will go for default. So in default, what is mentioned? A mouse is an elephant built by the Japanese. And here you can find there is no break. No break. So it will go and print the followed all cases value. So in case 1, there is breeding rabbits is a hair rising experience. Okay, so this will be also print. Even here is no break, so it will go down and print case 2 also. Friction is a drag, and then after it will get break and stop the execution. In case 1, case 2, and case 3 is given, and at int default is given, then only default value would be printed at that moment, because there will be no followed line, so there will be not printing of other statement. Let me execute it and show you, so you can easily get the concept. Just give me a couple of minutes. Okay, so I am copying here. I am going to online DB compiler. Okay, I go for copy and paste. Okay, int for switch. Okay, a default. Okay, then after I have to go for case. Okay, here is also, this is pseudo code, right? So I have to convert into C language, right? So okay, and okay, so case also, case. I am not bothering about the indentation, like the space maintaining, like those things I am not worrying about. Okay. Anyhow, let me do some line alignment, so it will look pretty good. Okay, done, right? Please break. So here I am going to run this code. Okay, so here is, okay, what is the mistake, right? Okay, so main int main return. Okay, no problem. Error expected. Okay, where there. Okay, Okay, so you can see here the first line up to Japanese printed, again breeding rabbit printed, and friction is a drag, right? If I take this default, okay, and go down, so what will be now the output? There will be only single line. A mouse is an elephant built in. So there is no follower line, so it is not the case. Okay, I hope I am clear. Let me also cover one more thing like char int. Let me mention like a, right? So in this case also default value will be printed. See, here I can also write 65. Then what will be printed? Can you guess? There will be two lines be printed. This breeding rabbits and this friction is drag. How? A value is 65, right? So case will be match, right? And here is break, so after that no follow line will be printed, right? One more thing I would like to add, like A. So what will be printed in this case? Nothing. It will throw the compiler error because this value and this value is same. Okay. One more case I have to cover, like 2 plus 3. So what will be printed? Or is there any compilation error? No guys, there will be no compilation error because the expression is also valid in C. So as we gone through, the output must be: a mouse is an elephant built by the Japanese, breeding rabbit is a hair raising experience, friction is a drag. So there is no such option. So here option D is correct, none of the above. Coming to question number 3, locate the error in below mentioned line. So can you find the error? Yeah, error is line number 5. Why? This is capital C and C language is case sensitive. Here it is small c and this C is not declared, right? So line number 5 is error. Coming to question number 4. So here is macro define, and this is float ptr, and this is float star. So what the question is, choose the type of variable in the following declaration. So here guys, actually the question itself is a wrong because there is a and b. They are declaring a and b. So this is two variable, but the option is only one type is given and both variable is different type. So here the question is wrong itself guys. Maybe you are not getting how a and b both is different. Let me execute it and show you through the execution, right guys? So okay, I gone for this macro, right? Okay, macro done, right? And followed by okay, so this is done. Up to this no problem, you can see. Okay, done. So this is float type, so I am going to just make one float. What I am going to make one float value like t equal to 5.3. Yeah, this is absolutely fine. I will run and show you. Okay, fine, nothing to it. Now I am going to, this is a float pointer, right? This is macro. So macro is, this is going to be replaced by what? They are going to replace by like this, float, right? Float star a comma b, right? During compile time itself, before compilation, the macro will run and substitute this value here, right? So you can see here star a, right? Float star a. So this is a star pointer, float pointer. Sorry, float pointer. A is float pointer. Okay, and b is just a float value, right? So from float pointer I can point to float value, right? So I am going to a and address of t I am going to find. So it will work, guys. It will work because this is float pointer, right? You can see here there is no error. But now I am going to b equal to address of t. So now you can see here this is incompatible type. So float from float star. It must be float pointer to point. But this is just float value. So we can't find. So here this a and b is different. A is float pointer and b is just a float. I hope now you are clear with this. So the question is a little bit mistake with question. Okay. Now coming to question number 5. So question number 5, you can see type def int star ptr. So here it is defining object int ptr, int like int type pointer. So here you can see it is just some like something like a structure. I hope you have already gone through type def. So it is just one type of object bucket, and from that bucket they are creating p1 and p2. So it is just in C you just think this like class and we are creating object. So ptr is one bucket and we are creating the copy of ptr is one copy is p1 and another copy is p2. So definitely both type is the same. In first bit, in this bit here we found the substitution, so a and b is different, but here p1 and p2 is same. Okay, so let me also execute it and prove it, right? Okay, this is done, right? And now I will go for this. Okay, so let me run it. Int main. Okay, no issue. I have to give some space, right? Okay, so this is, and here you can think like is p1 is what type of pointer? Integer type of pointer, and p2 is also integer type pointer. So int a equal to like 5, right? So this is pointer, p1 is pointer, right? p1 is what type of pointer? Integer type pointer. So I am going to point location of a, because a is integer, so I can easily point it. There will be no error, like you can see, no error through. p2 also same type, so there will be no error. Okay, I hope you got it. Here you need not to worry, there is p1 and p2 is the same type, and that is integer type pointer. So this is an integer pointer, right? Coming to question number 6, point out the error in below program. What is the error in this? So you can see here constant, x is constant type integer, right? So it is integer constant x. So here in this same line it must be assigned at the time of declaration, and after that we can't assign it directly. We can't assign value directly. However, we can assess the address and we can change the value at address itself. That is possible. So later on we will discuss. Let me also explain it with execution. Okay, and here. Okay, so what is the question? There is const, okay, int a, right, and a equal to like 30. So it will throw error. Yeah, here because assignment is read only. We can't go for uh, any reassigning value to a, because that is constraint itself, right? You can see even you can go for like and or at the time of declaration itself we can give any value. Okay, so that is perfectly okay. But once that is declared, we can't change the value directly. However, we can change by accessing the address of A. So later on, we will discuss that. That bit is itself available in this PDF. That time we will cover. And state the difference between flowing declaration. So here, just like Java, it is just a difference to write constant. Which one is you are right? So it seems both are same. There is no difference. And if you think there is difference, please comment and give your explanation. I am little bit confusion with this bit, but as so far I know there is no difference. If there is difference, please let me know in the comment section. We will go for discussion if required, and we will update the changes in comment section as well as video description. Coming to question number 8. What shall be flowing program compiled? So what will be about this compilation? Here all the things will be go fine, so it will be yes. Here you will not get any type of error even. So let me also compile it and prove it. So here you can see here int a value is 10 and j is a integer type pointer and k is a generic pointer, that is void type pointer, and even we can assign those. So here something like implicit typecasting is happening here. Some implicit typecasting is happening here, right? So everything will go. J undeclared. Okay, what it is? Okay, this must be small, right? I copied from there, so it's happened. Otherwise, it is okay. Okay, just wait. Okay, what I these things. Just wait. Now I hope it is okay. Okay, you can see here it is okay, completely okay. You may not be able to clearly view those both value. So let me, okay, you can see here it is okay, absolutely fine. So even here we can perform the operation, increment operation on the integer type pointer by referring the, how we are referring here, the address of A, location of A we are referring, and we are performing operation, increment operation on that, right? And K is a generic type pointer when we are performing operation on that particular location, right? Coming to question number 9, how long the below mentioned program will run? So how long it will run, guys? It will run until the stack overflow, not infinite loop, until the stack overflow only, guys, because it will go and go, and at one point it will get overflow. Okay, so let me also show you the execution. Okay, RAM, right? Okay, and I am going to call main again. Well, and sorry, and return 0. Okay, so now you can see here RAM is printing, it is going on printing, and at one step I will get code dumped. So here RAM segmentation, but here the program goes out of stack. So that is stack overflow we got until the stack overflows. Right. Coming to question number 10, combination of char star p. So char type pointer equal and again p equal to malloc of 100. So it is simple, just we have to remove this and we will get this expression. So here we will get option A is the correct option. Option A, not option B is correct. Option B is correct, not option A. Option B is correct. Coming to part B. So part B I will be providing in the next video subsequent, because this video is almost 20 minutes gone. So I will cover part B possibly in one video or two video, because there is almost 37 bit. So far, if you have got clarity about the bit and help, then please consider to subscribe my channel and share this video with other learner who are preparing for any placement exam. So they can get definitely help from this technical bit. And if there is any changes, if you think, or if you need any explanation, more explanation on any bit I have mentioned in this video, you can let me know in the comment section. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this video. Please stay at home, stay safe, stay tuned with Deep Code Guru. Happy learning.